Did you know that 90% of people who try handstands for the first time fail? And worse, many end up with injuries that could have been avoided. But here's the shocking part. It's not because they're not strong enough. It's because they skip the essential skills needed to master this iconic move. So, before you even think about kicking up into a handstand, you need to watch this video. Because today, I'm revealing the 5 non-negotiable skills that will not only get you closer to your first handstand, but also keep you safe, confident, and in control. Skill number 1, the foundation of steel. The foundation of steel. Your wrists and shoulders are the unsung heroes of every handstand. Think about it. They're the foundation holding up your entire body. But here's the scary truth. If you neglect them, you're setting yourself up for pain, instability, and failure. So what's the solution? Start with wrist mobility exercises and shoulder strengthening drills. These aren't just warm-ups. They're your secret weapons. Skill number 2, the art of balance. The art of balance. Balance isn't just about standing on your hands. It's about engaging your core like your life depends on it. And no, I'm not talking about those 10-minute abs workouts that leave you sore for a week. I'm talking about real core engagement, the kind that makes you feel like a human flagpole. Here's a quick tip. Practice hollow body holds and plank variations. These will teach your core to stay tight and controlled, which is crucial for holding a handstand. Skill number 3, the perfect line. Skill number 3, the perfect line. Imagine this. You kick up into a handstand, but instead of a straight line, you're arched like a banana. Not exactly Instagram worthy, right? The key to avoiding this? Mastering body alignment. Start by practicing against a wall. Focus on stacking your shoulders, hips, and ankles in one straight line. Skill number 4, the fear factor. The fear factor. Let's get real for a second. Handstands are scary. The idea of flipping upside down can trigger a primal fear of falling. But here's the truth. Fear is the number one thing holding you back. Think about it. How many times have you stopped yourself from trying because you were afraid? Start small. Practice kicking up with a spotter or against a wall. Celebrate every little win, because the moment you conquer your fear, you'll be unstoppable. Skill number 5, the power of patience. The power of patience. Here's the hard truth. You're not going to master handstands overnight. But guess what? Neither did anyone else. The difference between those who succeed and those who quit is consistency. It's about showing up even when progress feels slow. So, start today. Track your progress. Celebrate the small wins. And remember, the journey to a handstand is just as important as the destination. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more tips to transform your health and fitness. And don't forget to check out my next video on building a healthy lifestyle. It's packed with actionable advice to help you live your best life. Thanks for watching, and remember, every handstand starts with a single step. See you in the next video.